Where can you get the best permanent jewelry welded right on you by an experienced and well-equipped permanent jewelry artist? Well, there is a convenient list of permanent jewelry artists in the permanentjewelrydirectory.com. I'm going to leave more information about that below. And basically, in the software, all you have to do is enter your city, and it pops up a number of permanent jewelry artists in your vicinity, and it'll state what the distance is, along with their details, contact information, so you can reach out to them. Now, if it is the case that you don't find any that are very close to you, you might want to consider offering it yourself. And permanent jewelry is a great startup business. I'm going to also leave you information about that. And say, if you just want your favorite boutique or salon to offer it, you can give them information about this video or about us. I have created a software, platform, service called PJ Matchfinder. It is a business to business, I'd say a matchmaker per se. And what it does is it matches boutiques, brick and mortar places, salons who are willing to host pop-ups for their clients, along with matching up with PJ artists who are willing to travel to the boutiques or salons. And in this way, everyone benefits. You can get beautiful jewelry, customized, and a really high level of service. The salons will appreciate being able to offer better service for their clients, as well as a permanent jewelry artist is able to grow their business. And it is a wonderful thing. I find that permanent jewelry is self-expression and a personal journey. I am trying to make this accessible to everyone and allow everyone to have a wonderful personal experience. Stones & Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as a distributor of micro welders. I'm going to leave more information below, and I hope you enjoy it.